Discover magnetic domains. Microscopic regions within materials where atomic magnetic moments align uniformly. Ferromagnetic materials naturally contain many magnetic domains, but their random orientations cancel out, producing no net magnetic field. When an external magnetic field is applied, magnetic domains align with it, causing individual magnetic moments to add up, creating a net magnetic field. Process details. Alignment of domains is reversible. Removing the external field causes loss of magnetization. Strong fields can fix domain alignment for permanent magnets. In 1907, Pierre Weiss first observed magnetic domains using magnetic force microscopy on iron films. This discovery marked a milestone in understanding magnetic materials and their microscopic behaviors. Understanding magnetic domains is essential in materials science for developing magnetic storage and sensors, powering modern technology. Magnetic domain summary. Magnetic domains underlie ferromagnetic properties. Their alignment controls magnetism, and studying them drives innovation in magnetic devices. Explore more about the fascinating world of magnetism and materials science to unlock future technologies. Discover now.